Do you want to mention page in Facebook story? You can tag a Facebook business page in a story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mention a Facebook page in your story, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on Create Story at the top of the screen. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to use as your story. Once the content is added, tap on the text icon on the right side of the screen. Now, type the @ symbol and enter the name of the business page you want to mention. From the suggestions that appear, select the correct page to tag it. You can also tag a Facebook page by tapping the mention icon on the left side of the screen and choosing the page. Adjust the text size, color, or move it anywhere on the screen. After adding the mention, tap on the share button. Your story will now be posted, and the mentioned Facebook page will be tagged in it.